In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy cheap iPhones on eBay, covering everything you need to know. Whether you're looking to upgrade or just snag a bargain, knowing how to effectively navigate eBay can save you a lot of money and hassle. First things first, it's important to know exactly what you're looking for before you even open your browser. Start by deciding on the iPhone model that interests you, whether it's an iPhone 11, 12, SE, 13 or any other version. Think about the storage options too. Do you need a 64GB, 128GB, or perhaps more depending on your usage? If color is a factor for you, make a note of your preferences, though remember, this is optional. When it comes to carriers, the most flexible choice is a factory unlocked iPhone. However, if you're tied to a specific carrier, like AT&T or Verizon, ensure you set your sights on compatible phones. Once you've zeroed in on your needs, it's time to filter smartly on eBay. After searching for your preferred model, utilize the available filters to refine your options. For budget-friendly purchases, select conditions like used, refurbished, or open box. This can significantly reduce costs. Always aim for listings with free shipping to further keep your expenses down. To avoid lengthy shipping times and unexpected customs charges, choose seller locations that are within the United States. And of course, set your maximum price range to ensure you don't overspend. Now, let's talk about the importance of buying from trusted sellers. Look for top-rated sellers or those who have a 98% or higher positive feedback score. This is crucial because you need assurance that the seller is reliable. Diving deeper, click on the seller's name and read their reviews. Check if the feedback is specifically tied to phone sales, as this experience often reflects in the quality of what they offer. When you found a promising listing, it's time to inspect it thoroughly. Read through the description carefully, noting crucial details like battery health. If it's not mentioned, don't hesitate to ask the seller if it's above 80%, which is a healthy threshold for used phones. Inspect photos carefully, ensuring they're of the actual device, showing the front, back, ports, and whether the screen turns on. Look for critical keywords such as unlocked, fully functional, no iCloud lock, or iCloud removed, as these terms can safeguard you from potential issues. Finally, remember that eBay offers a money-back guarantee. This means that if anything goes wrong, like receiving an item that doesn't match the description, or it's fake or damaged, you have the safety net of getting a full refund. By following this guide, you're well on your way to finding a cheap, reliable iPhone on eBay while steering clear of potential pitfalls. Happy shopping!